Hey, thank you, guys. Thanks for everybody showing up. If we don't show up, we don't blow up. So we encourage everybody to get out to all the events, represent, and make sure that we can hold the people who got this industry moving, that we can all transition into this industry. These green rushers are moving in. They're trying to wipe us all out for pennies on the dollar. That's been their plan. They really have no heart and soul into cannabis. So when you go out there and spend your hard-earned money on cannabis, support the stores and support the locations that support the people who brought you here. It's been a long road for all of us. My wife was part of the first collective garden in San Diego in 1996. Our collective got raided in San Diego in 1999, where I was arrested for 448 plants. We've done a lot of things. Everybody's done a lot of things. We put a lot of energy into this, and we need to get something back. We really need to hold on to our medical laws. We've seen what happened in Washington is a disgrace to medical, and it's really a disgrace to all the efforts that everybody put in. The same people who fought against this tooth and nail, Inslee and all the rest of us, who fought against cannabis, now will go to the death to protect the tax dollar. So our plan really worked. Our plan was to get them addicted to the money, and then we'll be able to legalize. So they're all addicted. It's spreading across the country. States are lining up. They all want to cash in on it. But we still need to show up at these events and let our voice be heard to make sure that the small guys and the small farmers and the craft farmers don't get wiped out. The big talk now is the race to the bottom. Well, we saw the race to the bottom coming years ago because there's big corporations already out there who are ready to lose $30 to $50 million to capture market share. So when you go out there, make conscious choices on what you buy. Buy organic, buy clean, buy local, just like we do here in the Pacific Northwest in Oregon. We need to do the same for cannabis. It's not about the dollar. The lower the price, probably the crappier weed you're getting. So support your local growers, organic growers, and keep on showing up at the events. And, show up on a regular basis, and you can really make a change in the cannabis movement. So thank you so much for everybody coming out today. I want to thank Normal and Parents for Pod and Paul Sanford and their group and everybody for keeping Oregon on going. I want to thank Anna Diaz for kind of being the backbone here, and Madeline Martinez and all of these people who have really brought us here today and got us through legalization. So thank you so much for supporting cannabis in Oregon, and show up and blow up.